Manhunt for a gunman after Portmore shootout. One dead, cops injured. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have launched a search for one of the gunmen who remains on the run following a shootout in Portmore St. Catherine on Friday. Reports are that one man believed to be the crony of the man on the run was fatally shot and 3 cops injured during a standoff that took place at Independence City traffic light. Police sources report that at about 4:30 p.m., a team of officers were on patrol when they saw a group of women reporting that they were just robbed by a man traveling in a motor car. After receiving the information, the police said that they were able to locate the vehicle. Reports are that the gunman led the police on a high-speed chase. The criminals were later cornered and one of the men ran from the vehicle and was trying to steal a taxi which he used to knock down an officer while trying to escape. The gunman was fatally shot and killed. The other managed to escape. Reports are that the injured officers were taken to hospital for treatment. Their condition is unknown up to the publication of this report. This has been Links 007 TV, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.